Romeo Charlie 166. 14 Romeo Charlie 166. Okay, QSL, my friend. Repeat again your QRZ. Repeat again your QRZ.
Okay, fine, my QRZ 34 Alpha Tango, separation Sierra 006. 34 Alpha Tango, separation Sierra 006, QSL.
Okay, 34 division Sierra Charlie 006. Okay. My operator name is Christophe. Okay, what's your name, please? What's your name?
Okay, my name's Steve. Sierra Tango Echo Victor Echo. Name is Steve, QSL.
Okay, Mr. Steve. Okay, you have the 5x7 in my mobile station. And 50-70s moment, okay?
Okay, very good. Thanks indeed for the 5 and 70 on mobile station. You are 5 and 9, Christophe. Thank on 5 and 9, QSL.
Yeah, okay, QSL and 59. Okay, thank you so much. What's your QTH in the Canary Islands? The name for your island?
Yeah, okay, my island is Fuerteventura. Fuerteventura Island, QSL.
Okay, Fuerteventura Island, QSL, no problem, Steve. 73, thank you so much, and good days, my friend.
Okay, thanks indeed, Christophe. 73, good weekend, and in the log, 100%. Good DX, QSL.
Good digs, bye-bye.